In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your iPhone 15, 15 Pro or the Pro Max is stuck in zoom mode. There are two methods to fix this issue. Now for the first method, just double tap the screen using 3 fingers. Now after you do that, your iPhone will go back to normal. Now if the double tap method did not work on your iPhone, then just follow the next method. For that, just perform a force restart on your iPhone. Now for the force restart, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold on the side button of your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. And once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And once the force restart process is completed, your iPhone will get out from the zoom mode. Now if you want to disable this feature completely, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just tap on Zoom and disable the toggle for zoom. And after you do that, the zoom mode feature will be turned off completely from your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.